It's not that kind of peach. Little tiny deer tail. He's so cute. He's so cute. Hey guys, we got Smooshy Mushy, color me Smooshy, Squishy. So, we have 3 markers. Let's go. Pretty easy. There. Okay, this is a little deer. If you get one of these, they have very good smush. But it doesn't come with a bestie. That's okay though. Oh, a couple of markers. So I'm gonna basically copy off of this. And this will take a long time. You can color it whatever you like. It's your squishy. This will take a long time. A couple of hours. To make.
Two hours later.
We didn't want to bore you for how long this took. So, comment down below, how do you think it looked? And look at how big this is compared to the normal one. So if you get one of these, don't be mad if it's bigger than the normal size one. And this is the little bestie. It didn't came with a bestie, so, but this is from Tooth Fairy. And thank you, Tooth Fairy. Please support Candy Fairy channel. Hit that bell so you can be notified when the video comes out. And comment down below, how do you think this little fawn went? And I just noticed that she actually had a name. Fila Fawn. So, I love you. Candy out.